To get our brain started, we are going to be reviewing our 3D and 2D shapes. We're going to talk about what separates a 3D shape from a 2D shape. So first, we're going to go through and name all of them, and then we'll talk about if it's 2D or if it's 3D. So the first shape I have here is this one. Do you know the name of this shape? Yeah, it's a rectangle. A rectangle, is that a 3D shape or a 2D shape? It's a 2D shape. It's flat, okay? It's flat, and a 3D shape can stand up, or we call it sometimes a solid, okay? It's like things around us that can stand up independently, okay? So this shape is a rectangle, and it is a 2D shape, okay? It's flat. Let's do another one. Are you ready? Do you know what this shape is? Yeah, it's got a curve all the way around, no straight sides. This is a circle. A circle is also a 2D shape. It's flat, all right? A flat shape does not stand up, but a lot of times we can find circles and that in things around our house, but they don't stand up by themselves, okay? Now let's go through this one. Do you know what this shape is called? A cylinder. Now, a cylinder is 3D. I can wrap my hands all the way around it and see how my hands go all the way around? They stand up kind of, they're solid. When I do that with my circle, do my hands do that? No, my hands stay flat, don't they? Yeah, that's how I know this is a 2D shape, and this one is a 3D shape. It's a solid, okay? A lot of times solids are like things we find in our world, like this cylinder reminds me. This sphere reminds me of a ball, this sphere. So we have a circle, which is 2D, flat, and a sphere, which is 3D, and it is a round but solid shape, 3D. All right, let's see. Let's do this one. Do you know what shape this shape is? This is a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. And a triangle is a 2D. It's flat. It doesn't stand up by itself. It's not a solid. It's flat. I put it in my hands. It just stays flat. My hands don't curve or get real big. They just stay flat, don't they? A triangle is a flat shape, a 2D shape. All right, let's do this one. Do you know what this is? Yeah, this is a cube. A cube is a solid, isn't it? That means it's 3D. It stands up on its own. If I set it down, it's just gonna keep standing, just gonna sit there. But it's not just sitting on the table lying flat, it's standing up from the table. I can see it. A lot of times what we do when we're testing to see if it's a 2D shape or a 3D shape is we set it on the table and then we put our eye at eye level to see, is that a 2D shape or a 3D shape? So I will show you that at the very end. So a cube is a 3D shape. All right, let's do this shape. What is that? Yeah, this is a square. Now remember, a square has 4 equal sides, okay? That means they're all this length, all the way around, okay? And this is a 2D shape. It's a flat shape, okay? When I put it on its side, I can't see it. It's not standing up, flat. A square is a 2D shape. Then we're gonna do a, what is this? This is a hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides and 6 corners. And a hexagon is also a flat shape or a 2D shape. It's 2D. It lays flat. It doesn't stand up on its own. Miss Schneider has to do it. A hexagon is a 2D shape. Now I have this shape. Oh. This is a cone. A cone is it's a 3D. It doesn't lay flat, does it? No. It stands up on the table all by itself. It's a 3D shape. And our very last shape is a cylinder. A cylinder is also a 3D shape. And it stands up. So I'm going to lay my shapes out on the table so that you can kind of see. So I have all my shapes out. And I'm going to show you what they look like if I go to eye level. Okay? So if I were to just look, see how the solid shapes stand up and my flat shapes just lay flat? That's because these are 2D shapes, these ones right here, and these are all 3D shapes. I kind of want to put them together so you can see the difference. Okay? When we look at them, we cannot see those flat shapes that well, can we? No, that's because they're 2D, they're flat, okay? So a hexagon, a rectangle, a square, a circle, and a triangle are all 2D shapes, okay? 2D, they're flat. See how they're flat? You can't see them anymore, okay? These shapes are all 3D shapes, and you can see when I put my camera at eye level, you can still see them standing up, can't you?